Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is Tawhid Mia from HMTMCSE.com. In this episode, we are going to learn how to pull push using Jetbrains IDE. Here you are seeing lots of Jetbrains IDE in my desktop. Also, Android Studio is a Jetbrains IDE. So if you learn one of IDE, and then I hope rest will cover by this way. Okay, for this reason, this is my IntelliJ IDE. So now I'm going to open a Git repository which I created here in my resources directory and Java crash course. This is my one of Git repository which I will going to show you how to pull push codes from here. Okay, now I'm copying this link, going here in file, open, and then paste here, and now I'm going to press OK. This window, if you're not familiar with how it working, then please follow my description where I added rest of videos for this IntelliJ IDE or how to create GitHub project, pull push, etc. Okay, now in this section I'm going to add a file called bismillah.txt. I'm right clicking on here and then going to file, new. After that file, I'm adding a file, text. Here you are seeing that it asking me, do you want to add the following file to Git? For the time being, I'm pressing cancel. Here you are seeing the file is showing red color, so that I'm adding some of text here. File for Git pull push. Here you are seeing this file is red. So if I came here, then here you are seeing that the unversioned file 1. If you not see this panel, please follow my description where I added how to open this panel and how to show this panel. Here now I'm going to add this file into my Git index. For that I'm clicking here and add to BCS. Okay, see, now this file is showing in green color and it also added to my Git index. Now I am going to push this file to repository. Every time you make sure before pull anything you have to take a before push anything you have to take a pull. For that, VCS git pull. Okay, this way you can pull your current branch. Don't worry about branch, I will show you a branching system in next video. Here, before go ahead, I am just opening a browser for showing what happening here. In this case, this is my browser. I'm going to my this GitHub project here. This is my Java crash course project. Let me this is crash course project. Here you are seeing there is no file, only the license file. In my repository here you are seeing the license file and the bismillah text. Now I'm going to push this bismillah file to repository. Clicking on here, just commit. Here you have to add a message for commit. Every time remember the message should be meaningful because it will help you to diagnose your log for future diagnosis. That's why I'm just adding meaningful text, that is, this is test file for git pull push test. Okay, in right panel there is a lots of option. If you want, then you can untick them: perform code analysis, check to do, this will not going to cover by this tutorial. I will let you know later what is perform code analysis, check to do, etc. In this section you can only commit these changes to your branch, or you can commit and push these changes to your repository. Okay, now I'm going to commit and push this change to my repository. For that I'm clicking here. It asking me to, you're going to push. Yes, I will push it, showing that it pushing. Now if I came back to my repository and reload it, see the Bismillah text is came here. This is this file, this test file for git pull push test. Okay, this way you can easily push any of your code, and you can pull your code from here, git vcs, then git, then pull and pull. This way you can take pull and push your any of changes. Thanks for watching for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for future video.